Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're building a stunning Instagram-style sign-up form using the Neumorphic design trend that everyone's loving. This project is perfect for beginners and intermediate developers who want to level up their UI game. And if you've downloaded my front-end development ebook guide, this is a great hands-on project to apply what you've learned in the HTML and CSS chapters. Let's start with the HTML. Here, we create a simple container that holds our logo, form inputs, and buttons. Super clean, super simple. Now onto the CSS. We reset the box model and apply a clean font using Sego UI. This ensures everything looks consistent across browsers. To center everything on the screen, we use Flexbox. And for that soft, light look, we set the background to a light gray. Here's where the magic happens: box shadows. We're creating both dark and light shadows to give elements a soft, pressed-in look. Always pair shadows with rounded corners and consistent padding. Each input and button uses inset or regular shadows to look interactive, soft, and touch-friendly. We added a Facebook button using Font Awesome and styled the login link for a seamless experience. And that's it. Our Instagram Neumorphic UI is ready. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what UI we should build next. Also, if you haven't grabbed it yet, download the Front-End Developer ebook guide in the description.